Easy, easy. Oh! Look at that. Yeah, that's your little... What? Who is that? Is that your is that your hairy sister? Oh. Yes, who is it? Yeah, she's a pretty girl too. She's a pretty girl too. She's just a little hairy and she just sheds too much. That's okay. Yes, it is. Ah! Ow! Did she lick you? Did she lick you? Did she lick you? What happened? You want her? You want her back? Okay, come here, Sydney. Come here. Come back. Come back. Come here. There she is. There she is. Is that better? Does that make you feel better? Yes, I think it does. I think it does. Get that hair out of here. Ooh, that's a big hair. That's mommy's hair, probably. It's mommy's hair, probably. What happened? You want her ear again? You want her ear? What? Let's call her here. Wanna call her here? Come here, Sydney. Come on. Come on. There she is. There she is. Yes. There she is. Say something to her. Say something to her. Good girl. Wait.
He wants to give her kisses.
She wants to give you kisses? Tell her to wait for 2 more days. Just 2 more days and then she can give you kisses. Eh. Eh. Are you pooping?
No, we've already done that this
Is
morning.
somebody pooping again? Again? Ow. I think you are. I think you are pooping again. Are you ready for the Pistons game tonight? I think you are. Are the Pistons gonna finish it off today? I think so. Yay! There your hand go. Yay! Yay! Oh, okay. Shh. What? What is it? What is it? What is it? You gonna give me a smile? You gonna give me a smile? One little smiley. One little smiley.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.